NASA confirms a giant asteroid heading straight for Earth. Near-Earth objects can impact Earth and cause significant damage depending on their size. NASA has discovered more than 1 million space rocks so far, 95% of which are larger than 800 meters and could come dangerously close to Earth. The Space Research Agency tracks more than 30,000 potentially hazardous asteroids, and even the slightest change in their orbit could make them dangerous for Earth. The space rock, called 2011 AM24, is a small asteroid that crosses the Earth's orbit. NASA JPL classified 2011 AM24 as a potentially hazardous asteroid because of its predicted close approach to Earth. Potentially hazardous objects are near-Earth objects, either asteroids or comets, whose orbits could bring them very close to Earth and which are large enough to cause significant damage to the region in the event of a collision. They are usually defined as objects with a minimum orbital intersection with Earth less than 0.05 astronomical units, corresponding to 19.5 times the distance of the Moon, and absolute magnitude of 22 or greater, corresponding to a size of more than approximately 140 meters. 2011 AM24 orbits the Sun every 467 days, approaching within 1.0 astronomical units and receding as far as 1.36 astronomical units. With a diameter of about 0.5 kilometers, it is larger than about 97% of asteroids, but small compared to larger asteroids. Comparable in size to the Golden Gate Bridge, the asteroid is part of the Amor group of near-Earth asteroids. The eccentricity of this asteroid's orbit is reported to be 0.150, and its absolute magnitude is 20.4. This 500-meter asteroid will reach its closest distance from us on July 26, 2024, about 6.4 million kilometers, which is 16.7 times the average distance of the Moon. Asteroid 2024 AM24 will approach Earth on July 26, 2024. Will this asteroid collide with our planet? NASA and other observatories are tracking the orbits of objects found in the solar system, paying special attention to near-Earth objects larger than 140 meters that could have devastating effects if they cross the Earth. Until now, astronomers have been able to predict the orbits of known celestial objects up to about 100 years in advance. The good news is that, according to NASA, no known asteroids larger than 140 meters have a significant chance of impacting Earth in the next 100 years. Potentially hazardous asteroid 2024 AM24 will make a relatively close, but apparently harmless, impact with Earth on July 26, 2024, coming within 6.4 million kilometers of us. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is actively studying these space phenomena and will be closely monitoring any asteroids approaching Earth.